Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new stylish Instagram stories font. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your home page. Click on your story option at the top and then select camera. And here you just simply click a picture, upload a picture, it's up to you. After that, hit the text icon at the top and then type your text. And if you want to change the new style text on your Instagram, and if you want to change your font, so you see a lot of fonts at the bottom, so you can simply select one which you would like to add to your story. And you can also change the color of the font. Just wait for a while. You can change the color of the font. I think black looks attractive. So that's it. Now you will be able to add new stylish Instagram stories font. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.